Akili. Akili.
Rainbow!
That's right. There it is. And look at that cloud blocking the way. It seems something is about to fall out of it.
Hello! Oh, hello, friends!
Oh, your new friends are back. And look at them. They're not wearing their clothes properly. You have to help them once again.
One shoe, two shoes.
Moo! My shoes! Thank you, Akili.
Continue with the monkey. I think he wants his trousers back. Do you remember the word? It's a long word. Let's say it